Hello everyone, my name is Prachi and my topic for presentation is crimes against women and children in India. These crimes are a serious violation of human rights and threatens the safety and dignity of vulnerable sections of our society. Crimes against women and children not only shatter individual lives but also weakens the moral and social foundations of our nation. Such acts strip victims of their dignity, security and equal status in society, making it imperative for laws and communities to work together to ensure justice and protection. In short, crimes against women and children are acts like abuse, harassment, and exploitation that harm their safety, dignity, and rights. These are serious offences punishable by law to protect the vulnerable. This presentation will cover the following aspects: legal framework, important case laws, why awareness is crucial. Let's begin. What are the crimes against women and children? Crimes against women and children include any act that harms their physical, mental or emotional well-being. For women, common crimes include sexual harassment under Section 75 BNS, rape under Section 63 BNS, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. For children, important laws include Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, Juvenile Justice Act 2015. These laws aim to protect the most vulnerable from exploitation, abuse and neglect. Important statutes in this regard: Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Section 63 and 64 defines rape and prescribe punishment for the same. Section 74 deals with assault or criminal force to women to outrage her modesty. Section 115 deals with voluntary causing hurt. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2015 aims to provide civil remedies to protect women from abuse by family members. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. A special law for protection of children from sexual abuse ensures speedy trial and child-friendly procedures. Landmark judgment. In Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan 1997, the Supreme Court of India addressed the absence of specific laws on workplace sexual harassment. The court ruled that sexual harassment violated fundamental rights such as right to equality and right to life. It issued the Vishakha guidelines, which mandated employers to prevent harassment and set up complaint mechanisms. These guidelines later became the foundation for the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, providing clear legal protection to women at work. The Vishakha Guidelines 1997 set rules to prevent sexual harassment at the workplace and protect women's rights. They later led to the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. Recent case law. Recent example: the Nirbhaya case 2012, famously known as Delhi gang rape. In 2012, a young woman was brutally gang raped in Delhi, leading to her tragic death. This horrific incident shocked the nation and highlighted serious gaps in laws protecting women. As a result, the government passed the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, which introduced stricter punishment, including the death penalty for gang rape cases, fast-track courts for speedy trials, and new offences like stalking and acid attacks. The case remains a landmark moment in India's fight against crimes targeting women and children. It prompted the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, introducing stricter punishment, fast-track courts, and new offences to better protect women. Why is awareness important? The law provides strict punishment, but awareness plays a crucial role in preventing crimes. Challenges: many victims hesitate to report crimes due to fear, stigma, or lack of knowledge of their rights. As responsible citizens, we must educate ourselves and others about laws, encourage victims to report incidents, support helplines like 1098 for child abuse and 1090 for women's helpline. In short, protecting women and children is vital for a just society, as they are the most vulnerable. Awareness and strong laws help prevent abuse and promote dignity and ensure their safety and rights. Conclusion: crimes against women and children are not merely breaches of law. They are profound moral and social injustices that reflect the failure of our collective conscience. While a strong legal framework exists to punish and prevent such crimes, true progress comes when awareness spreads, attitudes change, and every individual takes responsibility. It is only through compassion, vigilance, and active participation that we can build a society where every woman and child feels safe, valued, and empowered to live with dignity. Let us pledge to stand against injustice and work together for a safer, more equitable India. In short, Crimes against women and children are serious social evils that harm society's foundation. Real change happens when we stay aware, speak up, and support justice for every victim. Thank you so much.